Thanks for coming today. We're here today with Michael Seltzer, the principal at Verite. Michael, how you doing today?
I'm doing great, man. How are you?
Good. Thanks for being here with us. Why is it important to have a monitoring process as it relates to premium finance?
Because a lot of the transaction is based on the return. There are 5 risks that we talk about in the premium finance transaction. One of the biggest risks is a lack of performance in the policy, and running head to head with that is the interest rate on the loan. So when we design our policies, we are increasing the interest rate currently using the Bloomberg forward curve, which is the most recognized form of predicting interest rates by financial institutions. And then what we do is we run the return at AG 49, and we also run we run a double stress test, which says that in the first 2 years you earn 0. And we also run it by something called the 100th percentile, which, without going into a long-winded explanation here, says if I bought this transaction for any 20-year rolling period over the last 40 years, what would my return be 100% of the time on average? And so what we want to make sure is that we're taking a look at where the interest rate is moving year to year, and we want to make sure of what the return on the policy is. The ideal is to keep a spread between what we're paying in the bank loan and what we're earning. And so far it always happens, but if it doesn't, that doesn't mean the deal fails. It just means it may need to be monitored and corrected. Usually that correction comes into putting more money in or more collateral. Since we're going to be 10 years old next month, and we haven't had any blowups. We've had a couple little bumps in the road, but we haven't had any blowups.